Good morning, my dear friends. This is the official start of the new edition of the Wow Garden project. This year, I would like to show you beautiful gardens and wonderful owners once again. And it's up to you whether we showcase these gardens, because now it's you who have to sign up for the new edition of the Wow Garden project. And what will the gardens be like in this year's edition of the Wow Garden project? I can't wait to find out. What do you need to do to sign up for the Wow Garden 2026 project? To apply for this project, you need to send an email to the address provided in the description of this video. In the email, please give us some information: the size of the garden, the location, and a short history of the garden, and most importantly, a few photos. And most importantly, we are accepting applications until May 5th. After this date, we will choose 10 gardens where we will go to carry out this year's project. But what exactly is this Wow Garden project? This is already the fourth edition of the Wow Garden project. Nearly 5 million people have seen the previous editions. And in the Wow Garden project, we showcase you and your gardens. We show your emotions and your love for the garden. We come twice this season. In spring from mid-May to mid-June, and in the height of summer, which is roughly from mid-August to mid-September. The Wow Garden project is above all about people, their emotions, and gardens. Last year we visited 9 gardens. We went to Yulka's, Bazia's, Marta's, and many other gardens. We showed how these people work in their gardens and what these gardens give them. My dear friends, I keep saying that we come and show things, but we don't come empty-handed. Every time we bring gifts, you will find out about our partners and who our partners are this year when you sign up for this project. So this month we'll actually talk about most of the partners. In every episode we bring these gifts, so it's worth signing up for the Wow Garden project even just for that reason. So what do you think? Are you convinced? Are you ready to sign up for the new edition of the Wow Garden project?
Jeśli nie i macie
What, that I won't manage, that I'm not suitable, that my garden isn't good enough? Well, I have to disappoint you. You're a great fit for this. Your garden is definitely good enough. Besides, look at how it was in previous years. There were people who were actually worried, but it turned out great. I don't bite, I help, and together we'll show this love for gardens, your love, and we'll pass it on so that even more people become interested in gardens. At the end of our visits to your gardens, we will choose the best garden of the year, that is, the Wow Garden 2026. The finale will once again take place in October at the Gardenia Fair, and I'm already inviting you to it now. And above all, remember to sign up for this project. You need to send an email by May 5th with the information I mentioned earlier. And one more thing, if you don't have such a garden yourself, I encourage you to share this video and invite your friends to the Wow Garden project if you know they have a great garden. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, because then you'll stay up to date with the whole project. Let's create this year's edition of the Wow Garden project together, because honestly I'm really eager to see new beautiful gardens.